Guys, today I want to show you how to unfold the surface using our plugin. Here we have a model from the client here. This is actually the model long narrow surface here. So this is actually the solid model here. So in order to unfold the surface, you have to extract the surface from the solid model. So you just use the AutoCAD command here, explode, and then they will you will get the surface here. See here, and that's exactly the surface you're gonna get. Okay, so and then just use our command here. You have to download the plugin from our website, and then load into the AutoCAD. Just use in the upload, and then to load the plugin to AutoCAD, you have the command called an unfold surf. So you hit enter, and then you need to select the surface here. So this is actually a simple surface here. Click here, and then you're going to then you hit the enter, and then you can select then the point or curve on the surface in the model space, and then the plugin going to unfold the surface with the selected point and curve into the XY plane. So, and now we don't have then the curve and point here, and then we just hit enter, and this is actually the result. And this is actually the result you're gonna get. And this red one here already using the AutoCAD command to explode the model here. So, and then we just use an unfold surf here, and then they will just choose this one here, and then you have the model here, and then you hit enter, and then you just hit enter again, and then they'll get the result here. This is actually the contour for the red one, and then come to the this is this one here. This one is just using the command explode. This is AutoCAD command to extract the surface here from the model here. You click here, and then you're going to have the surface here. So you want to unfold this top surface, or they just select all of them top surface, and then they will unfold for you here. Just unfold surface here, and then you select, then the first surface here is this one here, and the second one is this one here, and the third one is actually the one, this is the third one here. Just have three surfaces here, and then the plugin going to unfold all the three surfaces together into the XY plane here, and this is actually the third one here. So you can see here, this is actually the first segment here with the line here, and this is the second one here with this line here, this small line here. This is the line here separate, and this is the third one here. This is the third one. This is very simple, and our plugin can unfold the double curvature surface, and also can unfold the mesh surface here. So, and you just download the plugin from our website and load into the AutoCAD, and then you can use it here. And if you have any question, please let me know. And that's for today. Thank you. Bye.